The transformation has really come from experiential learning opportunities.
I don't just learn things in the classroom, but I just go into the real world and do it.
It was a real client with a real problem, and we're trying to bring them a real solution.
My favorite project was definitely the winery project in Barcelona.
I was working on the strange donut case. The team really came together and understood what we were trying to do.
And we got to see on every level how they integrate their operations and run their entire company.
We would not be able to get that if we were not here.
To talk to people that are influential within that company and get to have that one-on-one conversation was really insightful.
It feels that you're actually part of their business.
I gained a level of familiarity in many ways that I had not with really any other project and any other client.
Have an experiential case that is so far off of my comfort zone has been really enriching.
There was a lot of ambiguity and we had to make a lot of decisions ourselves.
When I came out, I did feel like I learned so much in so little time, and it's been so rewarding.